If you've connected apps to ChatGPT and want to remove them, this video will show you exactly how to disconnect them in just a few quick steps. This is useful if you no longer use an app, want to clean up your connected services, or simply want better control over your account and privacy. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and go to the account area by clicking your profile in the bottom left corner. This is where all of your main account options are located. Once the menu opens, click on Settings. Inside the Settings panel, look for the Apps section. This is where ChatGPT shows the connected apps and services that have access to your account. Click on Apps to continue. Now you'll see a list of the apps that are currently connected. Find the app you want to remove and click on it. Make sure you choose the correct app if you have more than one connected, so you don't disconnect the wrong service by accident. After selecting the app, you'll see its connection details. On this screen, look for the Disconnect button. Click Disconnect, and ChatGPT will remove that app's access from your account. Depending on the app, you may be asked to confirm your choice, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. Once that's done, the app should no longer be connected to ChatGPT. It's a good idea to repeat the same process for any other apps you no longer want linked. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected the connected apps in ChatGPT. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now you can manage your integrations more confidently. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.